everyone! My name is Dr. Science, and you may think science is boring. Wrong! Did you know that we use science every day? Today I'm going to be talking about the cell. The cell is the smallest source of life. Did you know that we're made up of cells? Do you see that big purple thing? That's the nucleus. The nucleus acts like a brain for the cell. And do you see that dark green stuff near the nucleus? That's the endoplasmic reticulum. It's a roadway that connects the nuclear membrane to the cell membrane. On the bottom of the cell, as you can see, is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The ones that I just showed you, the dark green ones, are the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And the light green stuff right below the nucleus is the ribosomes. The ribosomes are small ball-like structures found on the ectoplasmic reticulum. And the red stuff right next to the ribosomes are the Golgi bodies. The Golgi bodies are flattened sacs found within the cytoplasm of the cell. And the blue round object and the purple round object, the nucleus, is the nucleolus. So the cell is the smallest unit that is capable of performing life functions. So the cell equals tissues, which equals organs, which equals systems, which equals organism. So if we're an organism, we're made up of cells and systems and organs and tissues. And if we have tissues, we have organs. If we have organs, we have systems. And the systems are made up of like hearts and lungs. And the tissues are made up of cells. So a tissue is a group of similar cells that come together to perform a job. So such as a bone cells, they form together to make a bone. And an organ is a group of tissues that come together to perform a function. And a system is a group of organs that come together to perform a function. And an organism is a group of systems that come together to keep a living thing alive, such as us, for example. There are many different types of cells. I had hair cells. Yay! That's a tree. I bet it has plant cells. Just like the animal cell that I just showed you, this plant cell also has a nucleus and a nucleolus within it. Inside the plant cell, there are chloroplasts, which are banana-shaped organelles found in the plant cells. Their function is to contain chlorophyll. It gives the plant its color, captures the energy of the sun to make food for the plant, just like photosynthesis. Each cell has mitochondria, which is a sausage-shaped organelle found within the cytoplasm of a cell. Its function is a powerhouse of a cell. Energy is made and stored here. That very large blue thing that's kind of like an oval is the vacuole. The vacuole is an open area within a cell surrounded by a membrane. The animal cell and the plant cell has one of these. The function of a vacuole is it stores food and water, and it's a food and water vacuole. Like an animal cell, there are Golgi bodies in the plant cell and the animal cell. The Golgi bodies, as I once said before, are flattened sacs found within the cytoplasm of a cell. Its function is to package proteins. The blue area in the background of the plant cell is the cytoplasm. The lysosome are round organelles in the cytoplasm of the cells. Its function is to store enzymes that are needed for breaking down food in worn-out cells. As you can see, right above the nucleus, just like an animal cell, is the endoplasmic reticulum. The function of the endoplasmic reticulum is to transport materials from one part of the cell to another. Well, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. And remember, science is exciting! And I look good in pink hair.